Okay, here the GoPro Hero 11. Let's focus. Can I focus on this? There, and we turn it on to record. Okay, so we see it's turning on, it's recording. And I had it twice now that it just shut down on me. But now it works. So I don't know what the deal is. I was walking around like this, filming the dog, and then all of a sudden it shut down on me. Like first the screen went into screensaver mode, or I don't know. We can see that the battery here is 74%. There, 73% battery. So it's enough battery. But then it just shut down. There, now, look at this. No, it goes darker. Battery shows 73%. Yeah. So it dims the screen. Okay, that's fine. Nobody cares about that. And now it's off, right? But it's still recording. So I am touching the screen again. Keep recording here. Battery is 71%, so you can watch this thing going down in battery. Boom, and off. Look at that. At 70%. Nice. That's good, right? So it's minus 2 degrees Celsius today here. -2. Not too hot here. And the camera hasn't been out this long. The puppy here cannot stay out long for a long time. Just a few minutes.